Forecast Back Forecast USDJPY tips for beginner traders on October 9th US. Session trade analysis and advice for trading the premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. Trade analysis and advice for trading the Japanese yen. The price test of 152.75 in the first half of the day occurred when the MACD indicator had just begun moving upward from the zero mark, confirming a correct entry point for buying the dollar in continuation of the bullish market. As a result, the pair rose by 35 points. The Japanese yen may lose even more ground against the dollar after Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech, especially in light of the fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get